there, Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we're gonna look at an east to west from Della Terra. This is a brand new floor plan. We love looking at brand new floor plans. This is the 292MK, so come on, let's go. You look up front there, there's a nice storage area. It does pass through, but obviously you can see there's a little bump out there. That's where your wet bay is. There's an awning. It's smaller compared to some, but it does cover the doorway in an area that you would sit outside if you're hanging out. Nice step above step. Here's a few little things about Della Terra. Best in class interior standard features. All right.
Like that.
Right, we love that. We have electric stabilization jacks, which is cool, so you don't have to crank them down, you just press a button. When you get to the back, your spare tire is mounted, pre-wired for a backup camera, Furrion backup camera. And as you can see, there is no ladder. So if you want to do your inspections on the roof, you're gonna need that. However, I wonder if that is a connection for a ladder you would just connect. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I wonder if that's what that is. All right, come on down here. There's 50 amps, so it means you got 2 ACs in there. Keep everything nice and cool. Sewer connections right here. Got a nice black tank flush. Here is where you connect your water. Just awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get those weights for you guys. Gross vehicle weight, 9,863 pounds. The cargo carrying capacity is 1,665. So that means dry, this is about 8,200-ish pounds. You know what we gotta do now, right? We're going inside. All right, look at this. We love opposing slides, right? It just gives you so much space. It used to be with travel trailers, it would just be one slide, but they've started to sort of do the same things that they do in fifth wheels. Of course, they've been doing it for a little bit of time now. It's not that it's new at this show, but more and more we're seeing opposing slides. Now, normally here you'd have your quote unquote theater chairs, but these are more like just individual recliners.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, right? They are manual, and I can't find the pull. It's actually, they're tied down, so I don't want to move them, but they're just sort of, you just push them back and they recline. And then over here, this pulls out to be, it's sort of like I guess it's like a jackknife, right? So that becomes a bed for you guys. Above, you have some storage, which is nice. The colors on the floor, to the walls, to the woodwork. Yeah, it's kind of
comforting, huh?
It is, okay? When I was sitting in the chair, I kind of missed it, but directly across from the recliners, if you will, you have your sort of entertainment center. You got your TV there, as well as a 31-inch fireplace down there on the bottom. And then we have the kitchen over here.
Yeah, we have this nice island. It's not centered the way that you like it, Robert, but there is enough space to put your strainer on one side and have plenty of cook space. We have a nice large single basin sink, a tall faucet. Underneath this sink, we have some really nice storage. Look at that.
Yeah, we do. Look at that.
Yeah. Now, I don't see any storage over here. Is that open? It is not. It's closed off, so I'm wondering, look at that. We've got a little cubby there.
Lights!
Lights! Oh, look at the pendant lights. I love those. Very nice. Oh, yeah, and there's a cubby over here on this side, too.
There's some power down there.
A nice little pantry area over here.
Okay, so that's not supported. It is very, very thin, but you see it's sort of skinny. Our cabinets in our RV are like twice as wide as that.
They are. They're much
wider. There's no
wider.
support, and they just smile at you.
They do. You're driving, and all your canned goods are like in the middle in the line when you get wherever you're going. Okay, so we have a nice microwave over here. This is a Greystone microwave.
Excellent.
A little storage over the top of our 3-burner stove with an oven. We do have...
Press the button on the side.
I am so challenged to this.
This is 12-volt, by the way. Nice Everchill.
You'd think I've never opened a refrigerator in my life.
Come to your aid and to your defense. All these refrigerators, they open up weird ways.
They do. One's on one side, one's on the other, one's on the top.
One of them, you got a button push this way, the other one has a button this way.
And when you're walking and never having seen these things, you just have to kind of feel your way around.
All right, got a little corner cubby there. All right, what do we got here? Uh-oh. You know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, if this is the first time you've seen our videos, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference when we're walking around the RV. And as you see at my height when I'm sitting on this toilet, there is no problem. Plenty of room for the tall person in the world, okay? As well as shoulder width, it's very, very comfortable in here. All right. Directly across from me is our sort of sink, if you will. Not a ton of countertop space, but that's not a big deal. I mean, it kind of would have been nice if they just extended it over here, right? But that's not too bad. You get some storage underneath down there. Okay, and then above, we've got our medicine cabinet, which I can see from here down. Okay. It's pretty deep, so, and a couple shelves in there, which is nice. And of course, there's some cubbies over here for your towels and things, which is pretty good. Climb in that shower, Lisa.
Alrighty.
All right, as you can see, my head is in the bubble. If it wasn't in the bubble, I'd be touching. All right, but that bubble is here, which is just fine. So, and there's that much space, which is about 5 inches. So you could be let's say 6'8", 6'9", max. Shower head's in a pretty decent place. It'd be nice if it was just a little bit higher. Again, for the tall people, but that's not bad. Plenty of space in here. And they got my favorite door.
Oh, look at
Right?
that. They sure do.
My favorite door.
And it's shaded too.
Yeah, it is shaded. Right? All right. And then into the bedroom. So this looks like an RV king, guys. Let me try to get out here so you can see it. It's got these little extensions to the left and to the right. And so you might be able to put a slightly bigger mattress in here if you wanted an actual residential king. We're gonna get a tape measure to see exactly how big that is. So this is 72 by 80. You absolutely could put a residential king in this RV. This is right where your TV would go. There's a background place, so when you're laying in bed, you'd have nice views to the TV. And as you see, there's another cabinet over here, right? Nice floor plan, right? Brand new floor plan, 292MK, made by Della Terra. All right, let us know what you think of this one, guys. So hey, if this is the first time you're finding our channel, do us a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. We really would appreciate it. It's free, it costs you nothing, but it helps out the channel a lot, so we really do appreciate it. As far as the Tall Man Clan out there goes, thank you so much. We appreciate you coming back and watching our videos. Until we see you all again, be safe.